SPY is, even though it is up right now, this means though that most likely and not 100% necessarily, SPY will probably end lower than this 433.50. Do you see it? Because this was the pre-market high.
Yeah.
So if I have that in my tool belt, I already know, even if this is popping up, that most likely it will probably come right back down today. Okay. So by the end of the day, this will actually probably want to start coming down to this 431.70 or yesterday here at 430.80. It doesn't mean it's going to, but it's just another one of those things that helps us while we're in a trade, right? Like, where is it going? What is it doing? How is it getting there? And what do we think by the end of the day? Don't use it as the end all be all, but it is a good tuning fork of what is the market doing. Like right now, SPY showing it's up 57%, right? So while everything is moving up, right now everything looks good. Apple's up, the Qs are up, right? Now remember, Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, and Tesla are all a part of SPY. So as long as they are all driving up, SPY goes with it, okay? Because that's 500 stocks inside of SPY. It will move with it. Apple will give it more weight. Apple is 8% of SPY. So if Apple is moving up, by the way, that's why Apple moves the whole market, okay? Because Apple moves SPY. Apple is in the Qs. SPY is going up, right? That means everything is like, everybody's like, oh, we're going to the upside. By the way, that's why Apple does its own thing. Apple doesn't give two shits about the market. Apple is its own Apple is its own damn SPY, right? It does whatever the hell Apple wants. The rest of the market follows Apple, just so you guys know, because it's such a large chunk of it. Where Tesla's bouncing around and up and down and all over the place. It's only 3%, right? So you combine all this information, the more information you get, the more we can apply it to things, the more you're able to do with that. But don't ever just use one specific thing. Like, I am going to live and die by the 15-minute rule. Hell no. If global news, right? If there's positive global news, the whole market goes green. I don't care what it was doing before it.